Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen. It's your boy Shrek, and we're back with another video, guys. So as you guys can tell, I'm down here underneath the trailer. It's a 56 footer. Decided to make a video. We're having issues with the truck when they release they engage the parking brake or emergency brake for the trailer, which means they pull the red one and they push the yellow one to do a tug test. The brakes do not engage. It does not apply the brakes. So emergency brakes are not being applied and the trailer just gets dragged. Tires roll, no brakes engage. So we went ahead, emptied the tank from water. It had a lot of water in it. Went ahead and emptied it. I'll show you guys a clip of that. I also went and made sure that the ABS valve was getting air. We are getting air to this valve, but air's not going to the brakes. So the problem is on the valve. What I'm going to do right now is go ahead and remove it, take off all the lines, and go ahead and take it in for a rebuild or replace it with a new one, whatever we end up coming across. So just wanted to make a quick video. It's probably going to be a little 3-4 minute video just to show you guys what the problem is. All right, so this is the set valve right here. It does have 4 lines going to the brake chambers. Then you have air lines with these fittings. Went ahead and took it off, and we're going to figure out what we end up doing with it right now. In the meantime, we will be warming up some water. Feel like having a cup noodle today out here at the truck stop. Beautiful wet day today. Here's our little setup for water. All right, so here we go. We did go ahead and get a rebuilt valve. Customer went ahead and asked for a rebuilt one. So right now what we are going to do is swap over this fitting onto here. It's a plug, and reinstall it back on. Check the truck, make sure everything's working. I'll go ahead and show you guys that right now. So here's the valve installed, ladies and gentlemen. We do have the fittings that we had taken off, as you can tell, right there, back here. I did go ahead and put some pipe thread sealant. I like this stuff. And we also went and put some on the actual valve to tank. So pretty much right now we're just going to tighten up the fittings, tighten them up, and then start installing all the lines. You can kind of pretty much tell what line goes where, what brake line goes where. Regardless, I usually always take a picture of everything before I go ahead and remove it. That way I have references. Take quite a few pictures actually, just for reference, but that's where we're at. We're gonna go ahead and install the lines and test it out afterwards. Here's the valve all put together. It took a while because this fitting, this blue one, wouldn't go lined up. It wouldn't bolt up or screw in, whatever you want to call it. So it did take longer than expected, but it is all put together. We're gonna go ahead and test it right now and go for Alright, as you guys saw, we did do a tug test and it passed. The trailer brakes are working now. It was that emergency valve. And good to go now. So with that being said, guys, if you're at home, enjoy time with your family. If you're on the road, be safe. Hopefully this video helps somebody. We'll catch you guys on the next one. Thank you guys for watching. Peace.